How to fix Roblox error code 403. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open roblox.com at Google Chrome and download it from here. If you have downloaded from Microsoft Store, simply download it from here. If you have downloaded it from website, simply download it from Microsoft Store. Or simply open the app where you have problem and then click on more located at left side. Then scroll down and then log out. After you have logged out, simply sign in with another account. After you sign in with another account, error may be fixed. And this is how to fix Roblox error code 403. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.